STOGA. So much easier than all the words I've been trying to say lately. STOGA. Alright, so thanks for checking out this video here. I'm just going to get right to it. What we're looking at here is the STOGA MK25. It has 61 keys. That makes it a 60% keyboard. It has brown switches, which, you know, I'm not really a fan of typically, but for some reason these browns feel really, really nice. You know, I picked up this keyboard for $25 on Amazon. A definite steal at that price. I think that's probably actually pretty typical. I'm not really sure, but that's what I found it at, $25. It's a beautiful keyboard, as you can see. The pudding caps are very nice on this thing. The font isn't like overboard or anything too confusing like some of the keyboards that you'll pick up or look at, but this one is actually really, really nice. So definitely no complaints there either. Like I said, it's a great typing experience. Not something I would certainly have any real complaints about. Like I said, I didn't even realize that I bought it with the brown switches, but in the end, I'm actually kind of glad. You know, I've usually liked the red ones, but these browns turned out pretty darn good. You know, they feel great. As far as how it's built pretty nice. It's not super sturdy, but it does have like the little rubber bottoms, the little feet, I guess is what you would call it. The kick out feet, and even those kick out feet, even though they're plastic, they have the rubber grips on them as well. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grips total on the bottom, so it ain't going to move on you, even though it's pretty light, which I would have to say is a pretty good thing. Yeah, overall I would definitely recommend swinging by Amazon on the web there and checking out, seeing if you can get one of these for around $25. I would, like I said, I would strongly recommend that because it's a really good, decent, mechanical keyboard. It's pretty easy to work. The pretty colors and the RGB and all that, and it's per key, not the basic, whatever. So I do appreciate you guys checking out this video, and like I said, strongly recommend. Go get yourself one. And thanks again. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all that other madness. And you have yourselves a wonderful rest of your day.